Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be solving question number 20 from chapter 3. This is the question. It says that create a simple ATM withdrawal process where A. User inputs the amount to withdraw. B. The program checks whether the balance is sufficient. C. If sufficient, deduct the amount and print the new balance. D. If insufficient, print insufficient balance. Okay. So as usual, we need an input from the user. So I imported the scanner class and I made use of it. And here I made a prompt to the user that enter the amount you want to withdraw. And I'm storing that amount in the amount to withdraw. Okay, so this is just an example. So I'm going to have a balance. So balance. Let's assume that our initial balance is 5,000. Yes. Now I'm going to use the if statement to determine if the balance is sufficient or insufficient to the user when he or she wants to withdraw. So if let me copy this one because this. So if the amount to withdraw is less than or equal to the balance, then we have to subtract that amount from the balance. Okay, and then display it to the user. So it's going to be balance is equal to balance minus the amount to be withdrawn. But we can write it in a better way. So so balance plus equal to amount to withdraw. So I don't need this one. This is the same line. And after that, I have to print to the user that you have successfully withdrawn this amount and your balance is this. So you have successfully withdrawn, then I have to you have successfully withdrawn amount to be withdrawn. Okay, so I know plus okay, and here new balance. So let me come to the next line. Balance is, so it's going to be balance. So okay, if the amount entered by the user is less than this balance, then I print to the user that you have successfully withdrawn the amount that the user entered, and I'll tell the user that your new balance is balance. So the new balance is going to be the balance minus the amount. Okay, so this is the first part. Let me come to the second part. Else going to print register that insufficient balance. So else, I'm going to print register insufficient balance. Insufficient balance. Okay, so this is the program. Let me run it and see. Okay, so it says enter the amount you want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw 1,000. You have successfully withdrawn 1,000 and your new balance is 4,000. This one, there is 0 here. Where is the 0 coming from? Okay, 1,000.0. So I didn't leave a space here, so I'm leaving a space here. Let me run it again. Okay, you have successfully withdrawn 1,000 and your new balance is, so let this also be in the next line so that it can look good. Okay, everything another line. And the amount, so 1,000. You have successfully withdrawn 1,000 and your new balance is 4,000. You can play with it, you can add symbols if you want, but here I'm not using any symbol, I'm just using the amount, but you can add symbols here. So you can bring a symbol here, $sign, CDs, or any currency in front of this, and then it will be there. So now let's try the second one. If the balance is insufficient, so let's assume that now I know my balance is 5,000 and I want to withdraw 6,000. Is it possible? So I'm putting 6,000. Insufficient balance. It means that I don't have sufficient balance. So with this one, you can play with the code. You can even print to the user that your current balance is this, or try lesser amount. You can add multiple codes and then the user will be able to execute the program or do what he or she wants. So this is the code. This is the full one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.